What's up, people? Charles here, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to make money with YouTube. And before we start this video, I want you to like, subscribe, hit that bell so you can get a notification for anytime Charles Finney Tips uploads a new video. And watch at least 3 to 5 minutes of this video or any videos on YouTube to please the YouTube algorithm, because if you don't watch at least 3 to 5 minutes of the video, then YouTube will come through and do their sweep and they'll unsubscribe you from my channel, because they'll figure you deem that this content is not suitable for you. But basically, we're going to talk about how to make money with YouTube, and it's not going to be with what people are usually telling you, because most of the time they tell you with YouTube, you start a biz op and you do YouTube videos based around that biz op, which if you don't know how to market or you don't know how to get your videos ranked, then it's not gonna work and you're gonna quit. Simple as that. So as you can see, I got 2 things that's written in red. Don't join biz ops, and don't listen to gurus, because they don't tell you the truth. So don't listen to them. So the first thing you want to do with this making money with YouTube is start a YouTube channel. It's free. Then you want to find a niche, because anything can be monetized. Anything. All you gotta do is go out, find a niche. If it's getting searches, it can be monetized. And when you first start out, you want to do short videos, like 3 to 5 minute videos. And most people would think that when you say make money with YouTube, they think about the AdSense. But depending on what type of niche you go in, just say you go into the foot niche, because people have foot fetishes. So you could get brand deals from lotion companies, sock companies, shoe companies, because they have feet models, shoe models. Like you probably could create four to 5 income streams before you even get to the AdSense part. So if you find a niche, and if it's depending on what the niche is, you could probably get like sponsorships. They could, like, an advertiser could reach out to you, say, oh, can you put this 2 to 3 minute video on your video? Because once you build the subscribers, like say you get around 10,000 subscribers, and somebody reach out to you and they create their video, and you do your let's say you do your foot video, and somebody comes and they do something on foot care, and you put that little snippet in your video, and you get paid for that. But like instead of going out and joining a business opportunity, you can just start a YouTube channel. Excuse me. It's free. You can start a channel for free. You can go research for free, and you could do these videos for free. And you just go ahead and just grind it out. But there are ways that you can speed up the process, but that's a whole nother video, and we're not gonna talk about that. But don't get caught up in following these gurus, because for one, they're not telling you. They're telling you step 1, step 2, then they're skipping step 3, 4, and 5. They're not telling you nothing, because all they're really doing is they want to create a course that they know that it's not the stuff that they're really doing and how they're really operating. So this is a easier way, because for one, this is what all of us should be focused on, and that's content. content, and this right here. These are the two powerhouses. These are the number one and number two product, content, data. Because if you look at any sport, look at basketball. Basketball is content, and then you got advertisers want to advertise. The content is the basketball, and then the data is the people there, and then they advertise. Then the advertiser advertise to whatever the data is. Like, look at Facebook, look at Google, YouTube. It's content. Facebook is content, and they're collecting the people's data because people on Facebook, they tell Facebook everything. So an advertiser could come here and find, and whatever you told them, whatever niche they're in, they go find that niche. And 9 times out of 10, you done told Facebook whatever, and those people can start advertising to you. Just like that, because you done told them everything they need to know, so they can laser target you if that's the niche they're in. And 9 times out of 10, whatever they're flashing in front of you, you gonna buy it. So, but this is what you should be focusing on. Don't focus on this. Focus on this. Because this is what I'm focusing on now, because this is where it's at. Everybody's focusing on it now. A lot of the Hollywood stars they got YouTube channel because they know this is all you need. This can bring you money. Content can bring you money. So this is what the people focus on. This is what I'm gonna focus on. And this is the way that you can make money with YouTube, besides doing affiliate marketing or review channels or product reviews. This is what you should be focusing on. Content and data. That's what we need to be focusing on. And that's basically it for this video. I hope you like this content this free game, because somebody taught me, so I figure I'd come and teach the people on my channel. So like, subscribe, leave a comment and let me know what type of videos that you want to see, and I'll